Hello, today we're gonna learn about different kinds of seasons. Well, of course you're gonna know that four. In here, they live in another country, so the video will, when it's cycled, winter will be first, then spring, summer, and last is fall. But where I live, the weather changes in the cycle like spring, summer, fall, and winter. This is just a different kind of cycle from where I live. Now let's start. Hi, I'm so glad you are here. And we are going to learn about 4 seasons. Did you know that we have 4 seasons? Some places have more, but now we're just learning about all the 4 seasons that we usually have. And today we are going to learn about them. Now, we're going to quiet our mind. Take a deep breath, hold it, and breathe out. And we could do it again. Breathe in, breathe out. Or we could do it even 3 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, let's start learning about that 4 seasons. And remember that you can learn. And it is not hard much. So let's not waste any time and learn about them. Let's talk a bit first. It may not like the cycle, but we're going to just talk it. First is winter. It's very cold. Some places even snow, but some do not. Next is summer. It's very, very hot there. And then next is spring. Last is fall. And actually their real cycle is winter. It is when it's very cold. Next is spring, when plants grow. Plants and flowers usually grow in the spring. Next is summer, and it's very, very hot. There is a lot of sunlight and not much rain. Last is fall, when leaves change colors. It is also a very dry season. That is some weathers. Actually, in winter, plants do not grow much because winter is very cold. And plants need sunlight, but in winter, days are shorter and nights are longer. So if plants need sunlight, then they won't get much in the winter. It's too cold for them to grow, so they will sleep and wait for winter, like a bear in hibernation. And in all that cold and all that snow, the snow is just like rain, but a bit colder. And next is spring. Spring is a very lovely season. Many things grow in spring, and days are long, and nights are short. There is a lot of sunlight and a lot of rain. Spring is a very wet season. It is usually rainy. We have sunny days and rainy days. And next is summer, when all of us is on holiday. When we are out of school, we could go to the beach, when on that water. And I won't want to stay in that heat, and nobody wants to stay in all that heat in summer. So everybody wants to stay cool as much as they can. And that time, days are very long. Nights are short. And we're going to need a lot of water. Plants need a lot too. In summer, plants need a lot of water. Because it is very hot, a lot of sunlight, but not much rain. So, we need to water our plants. Last is fall. Fall is a dry season. There's not much sunlight and not much rain. It is dry season. All the leaves change colors. Flowers look faded, like they are dead. But they aren't dead, they're just sleeping. And wait until time to grow. And it's gonna be very, very long. Now let's review what we've learned about the 4 seasons. First is winter. Everything is cold. And nights are really long, but days are short. The next is spring. When nights are short and days are long. Flowers usually grow in spring. And it is also very cool weather. And next is summer, when it's very hot and we are out of school. We could go to the beach or somewhere. Last is fall, when leaves change colors. They usually turn orange or yellow or other kinds of colors. And that's all. That's all for us too. Bye!